In this video, I want to talk about how you can export your footage or animation or whatever you're doing from After Effects. So, as you can see here, we have this composition. There we go. And now let's say we want to export this. You can come over here to File, Exports. And as you can see right here, we have multiple options. So the best way to export is, of course, to add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue. Then you add it there, it will open, and then you can export. Okay, guys, this is the best option. You can also add to Render Queue, but with this method, it's only going to export in one format, which is AVI, okay, AVI, and it's a format that nobody uses anymore, okay? So you have to export it to AVI, and then change it back to MP4 so it can be supported by YouTube and other platforms. You can also export to Adobe Premiere Pro projects, but the thing here is that when you export to Adobe Premiere Pro, some transitions and effects will not translate the same in Adobe Premiere Pro, which means if I go ahead and export this to Adobe Premiere Pro to render it, I may lose some animation in the process, okay? It's not the best option. It will not export with no problems, especially if you're doing motion graphics or animation. Just forget about exporting to Adobe Premiere Pro. So I'm gonna go ahead and add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue. Okay guys, so once Adobe Media Encoder is open, you're gonna have something like this, okay? So you can choose the codec from here, and you can choose the formats from here. So you have a lot of choices, okay? Choose the format that suits you more. Once you're happy with the settings here, you can click on Start Queue, and it will start render down here. Okay, so that was pretty much all for this one. See you next time, guys.